Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel NFTs Experts. I hope you all are doing well. It is my humble request to my new incoming friend to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so the new incoming video don't be missed. Because as you know, I always bring such wonderful project from which you can earn a lot of profit from home very easily. So today's project name is podogosmall.com. The link of this website will be given in my video description box. So first of all, I'll tell you how you can register an account in this website. For registering your account, you have to put your email ID, then you have to set a login password, then you have to enter this login password to confirmation, then you have to set a transaction password which will be needed for the transaction, the withdrawal, then you have to put this invitation code which will be given in my video description box and click on the register now and your account will be registered in this website. You can select the language or on option language and so viewers, I already have an account, so I will go into the login option and here you can see language option here is given. You can select your own language and I have selected English as my preferred language. For the login my account, I have to put my email on which I have registered an account earlier and then enter my password that I have set in the registration procedure and just click on the login now and my account will be logged in this website. And here you can see I have successfully logged in an account in this website. Level 3 membership enjoy the 50% of the recharge rebates, 11% for the A level, for 3% is for the B level member, for the 1% of the C level member will get when their user invited from your code recharge in this website. The more user you invite, the more reward you will get. And you should know that the fastest way to make money here is not just invest by yourself but also from your team to earn generous commissions. Share the team invitation code and daily profit here will be given and you will get the different types of team recharge. All the type of detail will be given in the announcement panel. Here will be given to you and you can see different types of, they are dealing in different types of currency like the BTC, Ethereum and BNB, and different types of interesting option here is given like the recharge, withdrawal option, help option here is given. Their customer service is available 24 by 7 for helping out. Telegram customer service here is given, you can contact them on the online customer service. Team option here is given. There are all the type of team details like the team A, team B and team C. All the type of team details and team data will show here. Team on data review will also show here. Events, all the type of events about this will be given to you. And VIP level daily is given. For each level amount of investment will be different and the daily return will be different on each type of level. 9 type of level here is given. You can check all the information about this website. Here is given introduction video here is given. A card bot is a professional quantitative investment company founded by 100 quantitative experts through the advanced mathematical modes and technical analysis using artificial intelligence algorithms. Stable return can, as an experienced investment company, Ecard Board has a strong research team and research investment experience and is able to obtain stable return in different market environments regardless to make the. And you can all the tag Binance, Coinbase, Huobi are there. OKS, Bybit, CoinCheck, Bitstamp, Albank, Pilmex and Token Exchange and Corporation. And work is not just about work itself; it feeling that directly affect the people. All the type of introductory video here is given. Telegram's link, their channel will be given to you on their Telegram. You can join their channel on their Telegram. Text me channel on the Telegram. You can also download their app by just clicking on the download anyway, and their app will be downloaded and you can start earning commission in their app. For recharging this website account, you have to just click on the recharge now and copy the available address or scan this QR code. After that, you have to go back to the wallet which you are using. Click on the USDT option, click on the send option and then bind the address that you have copied, then put the amount for the transaction. Click on the next option and confirm the transaction and according to the investment amount according to your team and confirm. After confirmations, you have to go back to the website account and click on the recharge complete and your account will be charged in 1 to 3 minutes after completion of the recharge from your wallet that you have bind it. And you can see quantitative trading, efficient and stable earning task and all the type of detail will be given to you. For the VIP one, investment amount is 12 to 87 USD, daily income is 2 to 14 USD, yield percentage is 17.50 USD. You can copy this invitation code, invitation link, share with your family and friends to promote this website. Join to more stable more benefits. Invite your friend to join and money make from Invite your friend to join us and make more money by inviting your invitation code and link in the team details. Your team detail, all the type of data will be given to you in the quantity, all the type of quantity, quantitative, today's revenue, quantity revenue, total revenue. Click to the start quantification will be given to, and you can invite your friends, and you can membership names. You can see their member are quantified successfully and earning a lot of commission from this website. Their cooperative financial institution Binance, OKS, Coinbase Exchange, Kraken, Koken, Gate, Bitnex, Huobi, Gemini, and the Binance are there. Core cooperative financial manager in the customer service telegram. Customer services here is given in the account option, your asset revenue, recharge balance, withdrawable fund, all type of withdrawal, level 1 subordinate, level 2, and all the type of detail. You can buy cards for others here. You can check all the type of confirm purchase. Please enter the other payment account, please confirm the member account, and after that you have to just click on the and here you can see I have completed the quantifications here. Please wait for the countdown, and I have started the quantification. It will take some time for the quantification is progress. I have clicked in the quantification current level. In the next levels here is given when I get my quantification, then I will show. And here you can see I have successfully earned 2.1. Here you can see I have completed my transaction in just 1 minutes after completing the transaction. And here you can see quantification time is daily 1, minimum maximum account current level is VIP 1, and you can say and check all the type of levels will be given to you, and quantification time will be given to your account till you can buy cards for the others. Here task center, here is given all the type of your task detail will given to you. Can convert your balance into your withdrawable balance, conversion amount, put the amount, then confirm, and your amount will be transferred into your asset revenue. Security center, here is given your account email, here is given your login password. You can modify your login password, put the old password, then set a new password, then re-enter the password and save. Your password will be modified. Similarly, you can modify your payment password, old payment method, new payment method, and then confirm the new password, save the settings, and your password will be modified. You can set the language or an option, different types of language or option. Here is given application download, here is given, and level subordinate here is given. For withdrawing your money, you have to just click on the withdrawal option, select the withdrawal method, add your withdrawal method, add the withdrawal amount which is available here you can see amount available for the is 2.1 here. Then you have to put your withdrawal fee. You select your payment method, add your wallet and add to wallet, and please enter your wallet. Go back to the wallet which are you using, click on the USDT, click on the receive option and copy this available address here. And after that you have to just bind the address into the wallet details, and then you have to put your transaction password that you have set in the registration procedure, and then you have to just click on the submit. Here you can see I have successfully added my wallet here. Now I have to just click on the added wallet here. Go back to the select your payment method and add your wallet. Then you have to put your payment password here, and here you can see I have put my payment password here, withdrawal fees, and confirm the withdrawal. And after confirm, here you can see application for withdrawal is successful. When I get my commission, I will show my balance details. And here you can see I successfully earned 2.1 and receive into my wallet from this website account, just immediately withdrawing my money from this website account. And I hope this video gives you a lot of information about investing money, earning commission. It's time to go. Goodbye.